Hi everybody. Today I want to share my Stitchfix with you. I get it quarterly, so I do think this is my spring box. Comes in a box, you know, Stitchfix, pretty inside, and it comes with telling you what everything that you have, what you're getting in your box. So I get it summer, autumn, winter, and spring. Now this is the spring. So let's see what we got. Oh, and I love that it comes with a bag that if you don't like anything or you don't like the whole thing, you just put it in the bag and drop it in the mailbox and it's gone. Okay, it's a nice return, postage paid return bag, which is great. Okay, the first thing we have here is a pair of white jeans, which I'm wearing like leggings. So I'm gonna try to put them on to show you what they look like. Okay. Ooh. Well, if I didn't have the leggings on, I think they would fit better. So these are the jeans. They have two pockets in the front and two pockets in the back. And they have a fringe on the bottom. I'll show you when I take them off. And let's see, how much do these are? The jeans are frayed hem straight jean, $88. It's a little pricey, you know, but I only shop quarterly and I wear everything to death. So. And I'll tell you, you get a deal if you buy the whole thing, and sometimes I just can't pass up a deal sometimes, unless something is really horrific. I usually keep the whole thing. So the second one is a top. This is a nice green top, I like green, by Mix. Okay, Arnold 3/4, $38. So let's see what it looks like with the jeans. It would fit better if I was wearing, you know, a true bra, but this is just to get an idea. So I like it. Okay, you got the 3/4, got the band on the sleeve, and you got the band on the bottom. And it's soft, it's loose, can move around. Nice. I like it. Okay, the third thing is a cardigan, a Cheryl Pointel Duster cardigan, which is $46. So now my daughter likes cardigans, so worst comes to worst, I could always give it to her. But I'm gonna see how this whole looks, this whole, you know, thing, ensemble looks. And I think it's cute, you know, with a nice flat or even a little kitten heel or something. It's nice for the spring. Go to the park. They have music in the park. Miss those days. I don't know if it's going to happen this summer. I'm going to be honest with you. We'll see. Okay, let me take off these jeans because I'm sweating. So and I want to show you the fringe too, on the bottom. They're really cute. So we got the fringe on the bottom, you see it? The frayed, I like it. It's not fringe, it's frayed. And white, I mean, who doesn't want a white pair of jeans, please? Okay, now the next thing is, looks like a dress. And it's also green. And let me try it on real quick. Now they email you and they ask you if your size has changed or if your what you like has changed, and you could update and there's a bunch of questions they ask, you know, and then you could. Sometimes they could send you shoes if you want. or jewelry or a handbag. I didn't pick any of those because I got plenty of jewelry. My daughter's always giving me jewelry. So I like the dress. It's a nice length. It's right below the knee. It sort of comes like a horseshoe or something, a U. Okay, I'm gonna try it with the cardigan. See what that looks like. How that's a look. And yeah, it's cute. So, you know, you could get jewelry and you zhuzh it up. I like it. Looks like I'm gonna keep everything because, you know, I just can't let go of a deal. I'm gonna tell you the whole package with the charges. And lastly is another top. This is West Key High-Low Fuchsia. It looks like a cranberry to me. And this is $44. Oh, I see something I don't like. But it's too low. It's a little low for me, but I would wear like a cami or something. And this is the high-low. In the back it's low, and in the front it's high. And then you got here the button, which is not my favorite type of sleeve. I don't know. But I love the color, I'll tell you. And it's spring, so, and it fits, it's comfortable. I can move around, not you know, binding me. And, okay, so if I take the whole package, it would be $284. And I would get a discount of $25, 25%, which was $71, so it's $213. But this is for spring. I mean, I'm not gonna buy anything for 3 months until my next package, and I'm probably gonna get it in July. And hopefully I can get to wear this stuff. Hopefully we get to go out a little and romp around and, you know, see people we love. I'm dying to see my daughter and my grandkids. They do come and surprise me once in a while, just really nice. And also it comes with, so you know, it comes with ideas on how you could, because when you, like after a while you collect some pieces and it tells you how to mix and match with your other boxes, and so you get a full, you know, a full look, and it's a lot of fun. So that's it. That's my Stitchfix box for spring. It's raining today, so it's not very springy, but they're promising Saturday will be better. So until then, be well. Till next time, be well, stay well, and thanks for watching. Bye.